today's video, I am here to remind you that if you struggle with messy buns, a claw clip might be your best friend. I have done some claw clip buns, lots of claw clip buns on my channel before, but we're just gonna kind of go over it in general again today and break down not only how to do the bun, but one of the problems that you might be having that might be what's causing you to not be able to do the bun. So a lot of people will grab their claw clip, try to do the bun, and it doesn't work, and they say it doesn't work for my hair. And honestly, this will work for everyone's hair, unless your hair is physically too short to put up in a ponytail where you want your bun, then you can do it. Usually the problem is using the wrong claw clip, because there are so many different sizes and shapes of claw clips. You know, there's a big one like this, and if you don't have a lot of hair, something like this is probably not going to work for creating a bun because you're just not going to have enough hair. But if you have a lot of hair, maybe the problem is you're using too small of a claw clip and it's not able to grab all your hair. So the first thing you want to do if it's not working is experiment with different claw clips, because you've got ones like this and then ones like this, which you can see is quite a bit smaller. And then you've got one like this that's even smaller width-wise, but what you have to notice is this one to this one, you might think this is the smaller one, but it's also taller than this one. So you actually need longer hair to wrap around this. If your hair's on the shorter side, you want something that's shorter. Maybe you want to go even smaller because your hair is like childlike, like mine, super thin and short. You could even go tiny, or if you're doing mini buns, like little space buns, maybe you want to go itty bitty. There are lots of options, and picking the right one for your hair and the type of bun you're doing is what's going to be the difference between success and failure. So if you try this style, I'm going to show you the most basic claw clip bun that I do. If you try it and it does not work, try it with different types of claw clips. You can usually grab them at the dollar store, but for the most part, if you have more hair, you need a bigger clip. If you have less hair, you need a smaller clip. If you have longer hair, you want a taller clip, and if you have shorter hair, you want a shorter clip. Pretty simple. All right, we're gonna start by throwing your hair up in a ponytail. Wherever the ponytail sits on your head is where the bun is going to sit. Now my hair is freshly washed. That is going to be the hardest type of hair to create any type of bun with. You're likely to be more successful with dirty hair. Not like disgusting greasy hair, but hair with some products in it, hair with some dry shampoo, hair with some texturizing products, anything like that. Is going to make your life easier. It's going to make your hair a little easier to work with. But if it's too dirty, it can be hard to make your hair look presentable. So you don't want it like filthy, like unless you're really good at doing that. But you want it sort of like that perfect in between. But you can do clean hair. Just the hair is going to be slippery and harder to move with. But if your hair is clean, you can add some dry shampoo or dry texture spray in to give it some of that texture and grit so your hair is not so smooth. So then we just put our ponytail in. And now I want you to see, if I try to do it with this clip here, because what we do is we're gonna clip our claw clip right over top of the ponytail, right like that. And then we're gonna bring our tail over and catch it with this. But as you can see, like it won't even catch with it. That's just ridiculous. It's never gonna work, never, ever, ever. But even if I go to this one, which is quite a bit smaller of a clip, it's too tall for my hair. I can't catch enough of that tail. It just falls out. Will not work. Now, this one I might be able to do, but my hair is not as thickest right now, so this one's even a challenge. So I'm gonna go right down to my small one. Actually, this small one right here. So I'm gonna go right over top of that clip, or that hair tie, sorry, with my clip. Make sure it's right in the middle. Bring those ends forward under the clip, and then just spread the hair over top, and voila, you've got a bun. And by choosing the right clip, I was able to create the bun. Without the right clip, it just wasn't gonna happen. So make sure when you're trying these styles, you try it with a variety of different hair tools, because what works perfectly for my hair might not be the same one that works for your hair. What I do is a good starting off point, but it's definitely inspiration as opposed to complete instruction. Sometimes you're gonna have to take what I do or what I show you and make it work for your hair. play around with it. Don't be afraid to try different things, try different ways of making it happen, try different tools to see what works for you and what doesn't. It's only going to help you in your journey to being good at styling your own hair, because you're going to get a lot of practice and you're going to learn things about your hair so that you can make easier decisions in the future when choosing what hair accessories to use to create what styles. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope that was helpful. If you have ever struggled with one of my claw clip hairstyles, maybe this will be the tip that finally helps you successfully achieve your claw clip bun. And if you have any other questions or any other struggles, let me know in the comments and I will do my best to help you with those. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and send my videos to all your friends who you think would also enjoy the content so we can grow the channel here at DIY Hair School. Bye guys.